Hello from Guanajuato, Mexico.
Hola.
Hi, this is Hugo Anaya.
Mucho gusto.
And we're here at Alma del Sol in beautiful Guanajuato. And we have some beautiful church bells going on. How do we get that there? Right there! Okay, so I first came here to Guanajuato about 4 years ago, and I met Hugo, and come a little closer, because I don't want you to be too dark. And we did a printmaking weekend little thing, and so we have a printmaking workshop coming up in August, and what are we going to do in that workshop, Hugo?
Well, we're going to create magic by making a monotype, which is one-of-a-kind print, and using color, black and white, and the paper, and in a beautiful setting.
Super cool. I got here earlier this morning and was able to do tell me again what this is, Hugo?
This is a watercolor monotype.
Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I'm going to post it later with good lighting because it's really an amazing... And then I did the ghost image from it too. Is that the proper term in
It's
printmaking?
the ghost of the original watercolor transfer.
And so what this is, in case you didn't know, it's the hills of Guanajuato, which have lots of little colorful specks in there. I love this Alma del Sol. I've done a lot of workshops here, but they're usually sketching and we're out on the streets. This time we're going to be in Hugo's print studio, which is up the hill, about 5-minute walk, wouldn't you say?
5-minute walk,
yeah.
uphill.
And hi, Mitch Byrne. I see that you've checked in.
Hello.
So I'm going to be posting more of Hugo's samples here because he's an amazing master printmaker. Isn't that the proper term? Yeah. So thank you, and look for more information on how you can sign up for Hugo's Monotype Printmaking workshop in Guanajuato with Hugo Anaya. And you know, I have a new Mexican instructor named Alejandro Anaya, but you guys are not related, right?
We are not related, now that we could.
And you know, I thought he was my only Mexican instructor, but you're Mexican too, aren't you?
Sí.
Oh yeah.
Sí, claro. De Guanajuato.
Yeah, so
I'm from Guanajuato.
yes, so Hugo is an amazing instructor. So thank you so much, and we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Beat those streets, Miggy. Yay!